In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Tom Friends game app on your smartphone. Now, by updating your Tom Friends game app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this game. You'll also be able to fix any errors or issues that might be associated with your game app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get this, go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. And for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store, and then using this search bar here or search icon here, tap on it and then just write or type Tom Friends and then search using this search icon. Now this will take you to this app. You can see My Talking Tom Friends. Here it is. Now we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this game. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of My Talking Tom Friends game app, then install it on your smartphone. Now once this has been installed, you can now go to your apps and start playing your game, or you can play it straight from here by tapping on play. So that's how you can update Tom's Friend game app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.